So we are back with the new topic, which is dilution formula. The boardot amar ahi ase dilution formula. Now, what is dilution formula? Dilution formula mane ki? Now see, so dilution is the increase in the volume of a solution by adding water. Basically, so water add kori এটা সলিউশনৰ যদি আমি ভলিউমটো বঢ়াই দিওঁ we call it dilution, and after dilution molarity to change হৈ গুচি যায়, বা strength or concentration to change হৈ গুচি যায়. So to calculate this change concentration we need a formula, and that formula we call it the dilution formula, আৰু সেই ফৰ্মুলাটোকে আমি dilution formula বুলি কওঁ. So let's see. একবাৰ চাই লওঁ. So dilution. So first let's check the term dilution. So dilution কি হয়? Now say in a beaker we have a solution which is 20 ml 0.5 molar say HCl. In a beaker we have 20 ml 0.5 molar HCl, and we are adding 80 ml of water. So this process we call it dilution. A process to kami dilution boli ko. After dilution, the total volume of the solution become 100 ml. Now this is 100 ml HCl. Now what is the molarity of this 100 ml solution of HCl? It 100 ml kenake hol? Previously 20 ml, we are adding 80 ml of water. So the total volume become 100 ml. Eta 100 ml jodi hol, here molarity obviously change hobo. Now why molarity changes with respect to the volume? We know that molarity is nothing but number of moles divided by ki asile volume, number of moles divided by volume. It means that molarity is directly proportional to the number of moles, and molarity is inversely proportional to the volume. From this relation, directly proportional to number of moles and inversely proportional to the volume. It means that if volume increases, obviously molarity will decrease, and during dilution volume always increases, and as a result molarity always decreases. So dilution korar pasot molarity to komi jabo. It means that final molarity will be less than 0.5 molar. So final zero molarity ahibo eto 0.5 molar ke komi gusi jabo. Now to calculate this changed molarity, we have a formula like this: M1V1 equals to M2V2. Now this formula M1V1 equals to M2V2, we call it the dilution formula. A formula to ke ami dilution formula boli ko. So this is called dilution formula. Now this M1V1 part, this is the before dilution part. This is before molecule dilution part, and this M2V2, this is the after dilution part. So one part is before dilution, one part is after dilution. Now let's check their values from this example. Now initially we have 20 ml, means initial volume which is V1 is 20 ml. Initial molarity M1 which is given as 0.5 molar. After dilution part, final molarity of the solution is unknown, but final volume of the solution we know that this is 100 ml. Remember, this volume is the final volume, not the amount of water added. Hetu monot rakhile hol dei. Pani kiman diso etu nohoy, finally volume to kiman ahile. So we call it the final volume. Now let's apply this formula. Jodi ag apply kori diu ki hobo tetia? M2 equals to ami ki pam M1 V1 divided by V2, and that gives molarity 0.5 multiplied by volume 1 which is 20, and final volume is 100. After calculation this will be 0.1 molar. Right, this one. So that means 0.1 molar palo. So this is all about the dilution formula. The dilution point is very simple. Jeto finally volume ahibo, hey volume to kami yat V2 place kori dim. This is 100 ml. You place korar pisot you do the calculation, you will find this is 0.1. Now see, as per theory, if volume increases, molarity will decrease. Obviously, previously we have molarity equals to 0.5. Now we have molarity equals to 0.1. So molarity to komi addition. Agote 0.5 asile, etia 0.1 ola ahile. So after dilution, molarity or concentration of a solution or strength of the solution always decreases. Molarity inversely proportional to the volume. Ei kotha to monot rakhile hol. So this is all about the dilution formula. Thank you.